Looking for the best smartwatch for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 smartwatch that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a smartwatch that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended smartwatch. Number 1 on the list is Apple Watch Series 8. Some may be disappointed by how similar the Apple Watch Series 8 looks and feels to the Series 7, but Apple has nearly perfected its formula for a smartwatch, and there's no need to fix something that isn't broken. The Series 8 still comes in 41mm and 45mm case sizes, which means all of your old bands will work with whichever model they're designed for. They even ship in the same 3 colors: Midnight, Starlight, and Silver. You also have a few stainless steel options, a ton of bands to pick from, and an optional upgrade to a watch with cellular so you can leave your iPhone at home. The screens are also the same, nearly reaching the edges of each different Series 8 model with rounded sides. You also get the same level of durability as the Series 7 with a crack-resistant screen, IP6X dust resistance, and WR50 water resistance, meaning it can survive at up to 50 meters underwater. It's not as durable as the new Apple Watch Ultra, but it's still enough for everyday use. It's a well-rounded formula that doesn't have anything inherently wrong with it. The screen is beautiful to look at, it gets up to 1000 nits bright and is great outdoors. The form factor is slim and doesn't get in the way, and its weight makes it easy to forget about when working out. Would it be nice to see a design that takes on more drastic changes? Sure, but it's not necessary until Apple has a breakthrough in smartwatch design that it can't help but ship. Until that happens, the Series 8's design is perfectly fine. Second on the list is Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, versatile smartwatch with GPS, Bluetooth, and fitness tracker functions that works with both iOS and Android mobile devices, plus a long battery life and distinctive styling. It's great for those who want the convenience of smartwatch functionality but prefer a more classic watch face and bezel appearance. This, in fact, could be the best smartwatch for business. This Android and iOS compatible smartwatch stands out for its handsome steel bezel, which you rotate in order to toggle between apps. Some may prefer this more physical interface to the purely touchscreen smartwatches like the Apple Watch, our number 2 pick. The Gear S3 Frontier Smart is also a better choice for those who value traditional watch styling. And it displays a handsome clock face as its default screen. It's IP68, rated for water and dust protection, meaning if a little water gets on it, it should be fine, but it's not meant for prolonged swimming or water sports use. It does come with GPS, a heart rate and steps tracker, and a very clear, high-resolution display screen. The GPS lets you store maps offline as well, a handy feature. Like with the Apple Watch, it has a step counter and heart rate tracking, though it lacks the Apple Watch's heart rhythm/one-lead ECG feature. Where the Gear S3 does win out, however, is in terms of battery life, as its battery lasts up to 3 days on a charge. While this is aimed at adults, it shares many of the same features of the best smartwatch for kids, so if it fits your child, they may as well wear it. Number 3 on the list is Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen. If you have any doubt at all as to whether you should get an Apple Watch at all, the SE is Apple's entry-level option. It doesn't have the flashiest standout features, like the ability to check your blood oxygen, check your ECG, or measure whether you're ovulating via the temperature sensors. The smaller display is very noticeable after a year of testing the Series 7, and if you have AirTags, it doesn't have the ultra-wideband chip. But unless you have a specific use case in mind, say, you are trying to get pregnant, you probably don't need those things. And the SE is compatible with watchOS 9, which is where many of the latest and most exciting fitness features show up, as well as the battery-extending low-power mode. It has the latest S8 chip that shows up in the Series 8 as well as newer features, like crash detection to call your emergency contact if you've been in a car accident and unresponsive for 10 seconds, and it has the newly redesigned Compass app. It has fall detection, can support international roaming, and can work with family setup. We like how small it is compared to many other watches, coming in a teeny 40mm case size, with a nylon back to make it even lighter. If all you want is a basic smartwatch, the SE will serve you, or your nana, or recent college graduate, perfectly well. Number 4 on the list is Fitbit Versa 2. The Fitbit Versa 2 gives you the ability to track your time in light, deep and REM sleep, as well as heart rate, time asleep and restlessness, and then gives you a sleep score to help you better understand your sleep quality each night. This can be life-changing, and is one of the best features that the Fitbit Versa 2 offers, in our opinion. You can also take it with you into the shower or pool, with water resistance up to 50 meters. This fitness tracker can be your best training buddy, giving you all the analysis you might want and rewarding you for hitting your goals. You'll also be able to stay motivated by connecting with friends, competing in challenges, earning badges and celebrating goal milestones. You can connect your new Fitbit Versa 2 to your smartphone and get texts on the go, and even piggyback of your phone's GPS if you're worried about the lack of GPS in the watch itself. We concluded that the Fitbit Versa 2 is an ideal fitness tracker for those who want to start getting active but don't want to spend loads on one of the newer models. Metrics like steps, calories and heart rate are important at any point of your fitness journey, but none more so than when starting out, and the Fitbit Versa 2 covers all these bases. Number 5 on the list is Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch, a 46mm bezel with 1.3-inch Gorilla Glass display, the largest on our list, plus extensively tested durability including a 50mm waterproof rating. It's among the highest performing smartwatches on the market. It's great for those looking for a durable and multifunctional smartwatch to take swimming, hiking, cycling or for daily use. The Samsung Galaxy smartwatch has some of the most impressive specifications of any smartwatch on the market today. It offers the usual features of GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi phone pairing, heart rate and step tracking, plus it lets you take calls via an integrated speaker and microphone and respond to SMS texts via voice-to-text. As with the Samsung Gear S3, this smartwatch has a markedly different aesthetic than the Apple Watch. For those who prefer a more traditional watch face design, the Samsung may be preferable. It also lets you customize the watch face. The Galaxy smartwatch also stands out for its tested durability claims. It comes with a Gorilla Glass screen for scratch protection and is rated for submersion in water up to 50 meters deep, making it one of the few smartwatches and fitness trackers that are suitable for swimming laps as well as counting your steps. With these features, this smartwatch might replace even your best fitness tracker for good. Another Galaxy smartwatch worth checking out is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 is advertised as the smartwatch that tracks your way to wellness. The Watch Active 2 is designed to keep you motivated. It's light and powerful, and with Active 2's 4G connection to EE and Vodafone, you're free to leave your smartphone at home during walks, jogging, or any outdoor activity like hiking with hiking watches. The Watch Active 2 is water resistant, offers heart rate tracking and battery life that lasts all day. Just now is a list of 5 best smartwatch that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.